Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natty, and today I'm making leftovers. Just using things up from my fridge right now. And these I made yesterday. They're burnt ends. If you're not too sure what burnt ends are, I'll tell you how I made them. So I bought some Stampede hot dogs, or wieners. I cut them up. I put them with barbecue sauce in a bowl and just mixed it all up. Then put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Then I took it out, add a little bit more barbecue, mixed it up, put it in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Just until they're like almost burnt. Let me tell you, delicious. Now, Grandma Teresa was the one that recommended this to me a while back, and I tried it and I loved it. And this is my second time making it, and I have to say, these are delicious. Now, these Stampede wieners, I did not like them when I bought them. I don't like the texture of them. I didn't like the texture at all. So, doing it this way, game changer. I could eat those Stampede wieners now. But I have to burn them in barbecue sauce. So next up, I'm going to eat with this tonight. Some of these. I'm going to try these Forlani Texas toast. So I'm going to put those in the air fryer. I'm going to take 4 out, 2 each. And as for the wieners, I'm just going to warm them up in the microwave. And I'm also going to have some leftover watermelon that I had when Sierra was here. So we got lots of watermelon to eat. We have like 3 bowls like this full. So we got to eat those up. And yeah, so I'm just going to put that in the air fryer for now. Put that in the microwave for 30 seconds. And I'll have supper ready. And there it is. There's dinner for tonight. 2 slices of Texas-style garlic bread. And burnt ends. Barbecue burnt ends. With a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And watermelon. Yum, yum. Leftover dinner. Hey guys, well tonight for supper I'm having these boneless tenderized pork loins that I picked up at the Metro on my last grocery haul. So I'm going to cook them both, but I'm going to cut them in half and I'm going to make sandwiches with that. So it's going to be on the Kalamata olive herb buns. So we'll have 1 each tonight. So we'll have another 2 tomorrow. So like I said, cutting that in half. And this way I'll have 2 meals. I'm also going to make a salad on the side. Okay, so I'm just going to cook these up. I just want to warm it up a little bit longer. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's warm enough. Hot enough. So we'll have 4 pieces for 4 sandwiches. And tomorrow I'll put the other one together. Today we'll just have 1 each. Wonderful meal. So while that's cooking, I have about half a head of iceberg lettuce. I'm just going to chop that up to make a chopped salad. Chopped salad. Now I'm going to put that in the salad spinner, rinse it, and spin it. But before I do that, I got to flip these guys. They're not quite ready yet. Let's make her spin. I love my salad spinner. Look at all that water. There's my salad. I just gotta mix it up with a couple other things and make a little salad to go as a side. Just so you know, I hate cooking cutlets because they stick and half the breading comes off. I've tried butter. I've tried oil. This is, you know, this pan's going to shit anyways. I've tried it on cast iron, but it always does that. Doesn't matter what I use, it always does that. Even if I put it on low setting, this is medium setting. Look at this. It doesn't cook properly. Well, it cooks properly, but you lose a lot of your breading. I hate that. It's going to be delicious, though. So I'm adding some radishes to my salad. I just cut them into little pieces. So for my salad dressing, I have some homemade sour cream and some old-fashioned Dijon mustard. Old style, sorry. So it has the seeds in it. And I'm just going to take a spoon of that, like that, and mix it in. That's going to be my salad dressing. I'll try it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's so good. So these are going to go in the air fryer for 2 minutes. So we have a nice toasty bun. So before I put the dressing on the salad, I'm just going to shred some of this old cheddar cheese. Now, I'm going to have to stock up again pretty soon on the cheese. I know I just did last month, I think it was. About 4 or 5 things of cheese, and I have one left in the freezer and whatever I have left here on the counter. So, yeah, hopefully we have another good sale come up for cheese. And now we're just going to put that sauce, that dressing, onto that. This sour cream, I have to say, has lasted longer than any sour cream I've ever had. It's homemade. It tastes a lot better. And I am going to make sour cream that way from now on. That's it. Just add some salt and pepper to that. And oh, I guess I should add the radishes, because that's a big part of it. And just add the salt and pepper. It's a wonderful salad. Look at that. Take a bite of it and see. Oh, I like that. I like that dressing. That is good. So I was just thinking, what am I going to put on there for sauce, right? I'm going to just put butter. It's got a lot of flavor already because of the olives, right? So I'm just going to put butter, and there's a lot of flavor in the breaded pork. So we're going to put lots of butter on there. Each side has butter. And make this into garlic bread. But would that take away from the breaded cutlets? I think so. Just keep it like that, with butter. And actually, cut that coat line, forward line, pork loin. There you go. So the kamada, olives, in a bun, and the Italian breaded cutlet. Now I could have added sauce on there, a little bit of cheese, maybe tomorrow. That's what I'll do. But for today, let's make it nice and simple. There's dinner. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Another great dinner on a budget.